Hi, my name is Latoya and I love hair. I'm the owner of Glamourhair by Latoya. We are located in the heart of Malmö city, close by the Triangle. I have 21 years of experience working with texture hair. So if you're looking for curly hair specialist, then this is the place. I moved here to my own location in 2021 and I'm looking forward to expand my services. Please visit my website and my Instagram for more information if you want to check out what kind of service or you just need to know more about the salon or what we have to offer here. You can find all the information there about consultation, about booking, everything is there. You're welcome to come and try out the service here at Glamourhair Salon in the heart of Malmö. Welcome.